Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about your computer's hardware and software, today's video is for you. We're talking about a powerful yet simple tool called Glow, a system analysis software developed by Eray Türkay that makes getting detailed system information super easy, even for non-techies. Glow lets you see all the crucial details of your computer with an easy-to-understand interface. Whether it's your operating system, motherboard, CPU, memory, or even your network devices, Glow covers it all in just a few clicks. Let's start with the operating system section. Glow shows you everything from your OS serial number, model number, device ID, and much more. You'll even get access to advanced features that most paid programs don't include. And that's just the beginning. Let's take a look at more of Glow's awesome features. First up, the motherboard section. Glow gives you the brand, model, BIOS version, and serial number of your motherboard. Super handy if you need to troubleshoot or upgrade your system. Then we've got the processor section, where you can check the model, cores, processor speed, and real-time utilization of your CPU. And of course, the memory section gives you the complete breakdown of your RAM, amount, type, voltage, and even the number of available slots. It updates dynamically, so you always have the latest info. The graphics card section gives you everything from model and manufacturer to driver status and monitor information. And if you're wondering about storage, the storage section shows the total capacity, available space, health status, and even the bus type of your hard drives and SSDs. Glow doesn't stop there. It goes deep into your system with sections like Network, which gives you detailed information on all your connected devices, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, Bluetooth, even virtual drives. Plus, there's the USB section for all your connected devices, the sound section for managing your audio setup, and if you're on a laptop, the battery section shows everything from charging cycles to general health. And Glow doesn't just show you info. It helps you manage and optimize your system. You can monitor installed drivers and see a full list of installed services running in the background, making it easier to diagnose issues. Need to share your system details? No problem. With the export feature, you can export all of this info as a text or HTML file, perfect for troubleshooting or sharing with tech support. Glow also comes packed with extra tools for benchmarking, monitor testing, and even junk file cleanup. It's basically a professional-grade toolkit wrapped up in a user-friendly package. And for those of you who love customization, Glow includes a multi-theme system. You can choose between light and dark themes, and it'll automatically match your system theme when you first open the app. So what are you waiting for? Download Glow today and unlock all the details of your system in the simplest way possible. To download this tool, visit this official GitHub page. Read all the information provided by the developer. Now, check this release section for latest version of the tool. Download this zip file from the assets section. After successful download, extract the zip file. Run 64-bit version or ARM version according to your system configuration. That's it. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.